Hello. Welcome back to my channel. This is Maybe here again with another natural hairstyling tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing how I normally achieve my sleek down bun hairstyle. So this particular hairstyle varies for me. It could be a side part or a center part or just a nice sleek updo hairstyle. But in today's video, I'm going to be showing a sleek down low bun hairstyle, and I'm just going to be sharing my own twist when it comes to wearing this particular hairstyle. I'm going to be sharing all the products that I normally use to slick down my very thick fussy natural hair. I'm sure you guys can tell that, man. I've got a lot of hair, and when it comes to slicking down my hairstyle, a lot of people always wonder how I get my hair to slick down despite the fullness of my hair. In this section, I'm just thinking of whether to make it a side part or a center part, but I think I'm going to go for a center part because I find that center parts usually look really nice on me. So yeah, in this portion of the video, I'm just going to be showing you all the products that I'm going to be using in order to achieve a slick down hairstyle. First of all, I'm going to be using this Dermagrow Activator Moisturizer Gel. I'm also going to be using my Eco Styler, and I'm going to be using some glue. You guys should not worry, don't worry. It's not going to cause any problem, okay? It's also going to add to the beauty of this hairstyle, and you guys will see how I get to use it as we go along in this video. If you're made it to this point in the video and you're yet to be subscribed to my channel, okay, you need to catch up on my other videos and get to, know me for who I am. Anyway, the point is I would love to have you in this family that I'm building here on YouTube. So please feel free to hit that subscribe button down there, okay? Hit the subscribe button. Also tap the bell notification right beside the subscribe button. That button helps you know every single time I post a new video. I post videos twice a week here and there. I also have bonus videos, but yeah, I post twice a week, and I think you would find my content very useful. All I'm doing here is I'm just slapping on all that Dermagrow gel, right? You need a lot of gel, especially if you have a very full hair like me. You need to apply a lot of gel in order to get that slick down, very slick hairstyle at the end of the day. So all I'm doing here is I'm just slapping on that Dermagrow activator styling gel. Another important tool when it comes to achieving your slick down hairstyle is your Bristle brush. This brush right here, if you're trying to slick down your hair and you don't have this brush, you're just playing, okay? Make sure you have this brush on standby. This brush is going to help you really achieve that sleek look. You guys can see the difference with my hair, right? You can see that low part, the part underneath where I already used that brush on. You can see how sleek it already looks. So yeah, make sure you have your Bristle brush with you when you're trying to slick down your hair, and just take your time, use it to brush your hair and achieve a very sleek look. Once I'm done with that section of my hair, I'm going to move on to the front, and this time I'm going to be using this Eco Styling Gel, right? I find that this particular hair gel gives me a better hold than the other gel that I use at the back, so I'm going to be using this one for this front portion of my hair. For the back, because my curls at the back are kind of looser than the front, I don't mind using that Dermagrow activator gel. But for the front, the hair I have in front is kind of, the texture is kind of different from that of the back. So that's why I need something with a stronger hold when it comes to the front. I already have a video where I shared all my favorite gels and the reason why I prefer each type of gel to the other, right, for different hairstyles when I'm rocking different hairstyles. I'm going to have that video linked somewhere on the screen so you guys get to understand how I feel about most of the gels that I use on my hair. So all I'm doing for this front bit as well is just slapping on a lot of gel, right, slapping all the gel in, and then I'm also trying to perfect the part, right, because I want the center part to be very clean. So all I'm doing here is just perfecting the part and then going ahead to slap on more gel to achieve the slick down hairstyle that I'm going for. Once I'm done applying the gel on this portion of the hair, I'm going to go ahead to use my Bristle brush again to really brush the hair and make it lie very flat. In case you're wondering why I have this white cast on my hair, it's my leave-in conditioner. I already conditioned and just moisturized my hair right before starting with this hairstyle, so that's what is just shining through the hair. But don't worry, once the hair dries down properly, everything is going to disappear. Another thing you should take note of is, in order to keep your hair moisturized and just achieve a very shiny glossy look at the end of the day when trying to make this hairstyle, you need to make sure that your hair is properly moisturized. I didn't mention it at the beginning of this video, so make sure you already moisturized your hair, washed your hair. Also make sure that your hair is clean in order to have a very nice finished product at the end of the day. I already washed and moisturized my hair before I started making this particular hairstyle. All I'm doing here is, because of how thick my hair is, the bristle brush wasn't, combing through the hair really, really well. So I had to switch to using my white tooth comb to really comb the puff and then go ahead to pack it, just to separate this particular section off. What I'm going to go ahead to do is just repeat the same process on this other side. I'm going to go ahead to slap on a lot of gel on my hair and then use my bristle brush just to, brush it and make it lie really, really flat to achieve that slick down. You remember the title of the video is slick down, right? You need the hair to really, really slick down. Also, this style, not to worry, even if you have short hair, the secret is moisturization. Your bristle brush, once you have that bristle brush on standby, okay, even if your hair is short or not so full, you'll still achieve something really gorgeous at the end of the day. All you need is your bristle brush and your gel, and make sure that your hair is clean and properly moisturized. So we're already wrapping up this particular hairstyle. I already successfully, slicked down every part of my hair, and my hair looks really, really slick, just as you can see. I'm just going to apply some gel on those parts that are still sticking out at the side. And yeah, this is, we are 60% done with achieving this hairstyle. If you've been enjoying this video so far, please don't forget to give me a big fat thumbs up. That thumbs up helps YouTube spread my videos to a wider audience. And yeah, please just hit the like button if you've been enjoying this video so far. All I'm going to do now is I'm just going to perfect the slick bone at the back. Make sure that the bone is low enough to my, to my taste, to the look I'm going for. Feel free to make your bone higher or lower than what I have here. Once I'm satisfied with where the bone is at, I'm just going to go ahead to pack the hair, just as you can see, and we're going to move on to the next segment when it comes to achieving this particular hairstyle. Alright guys, so all I'm doing here is I'm just going over the hair again with my bristle brush, just to make sure that everything is properly slicked down and everything is just lying really, really flat, just as I want. And once I'm happy with where I am at with the slick down, or the slicking right, of the hair, I'm just going to go ahead to pack it one more time using a silk scrunchie. Feel free to use whatever you have, okay? It's because I have my silk scrunchie close by, that's why I used it. I don't really like using rubber band when it comes to packing my hair, because I find that whenever I take out the rubber band usually comes off with some pieces of my hair and I don't appreciate it. So that's why I like to use scrunchies. Anyway, now is the part where we are going to be using this our got to be glued to just make sure that the hair stays flat. The only reason why I'm doing this is just to give my hair an extra hold. And I find that once I do this, my hair stays put. Like, you won't see a single strand flying around. That is why I really, really like going over my hair now with my got to be good. Feel free to leave that part out if you're not comfortable with using that particular product on your hair. But I just thought to share what I use to achieve my perfect slick bun hairstyle. Once I'm done, applying all the gel and spraying on that my got to be good, I'm just going to use this my wrap strip just to give myself extra hold. Okay, the secret of this hairstyle is making sure that your hair stays put. Okay, extra hold, as much hold as possible. So I'm just going to use this particular strip paper just to make my hair slick down really well. I'm going to leave this paper on for about an hour. I'll go ahead to do other stuff, do my makeup, figure out what outfit I want to wear in order to, give you guys the final look, right? And once I'm done with that, I'm going to come back to talk to you. Alright guys, so I've done my makeup. I already figured out what I'm going to wear, right, at the end of the day. I'm just going to use this my got to be gel just to give myself some soup right, in front, just to give myself, I don't know what they call those things, now baby hair. Okay, I'm going to go ahead to use that got to be to just lay my baby hair. And when it comes to laying my baby hair, guys, my baby hair laying procedure is very basic. I don't like when it's too, not that I don't like when it's too dramatic, I shouldn't say I don't like it. I don't know how to give myself a really nice dramatic baby hair, so I like to just keep things simple. I don't like to go extra, because at the end of the day I always look crazy. So I like to keep things simple when it comes to my baby hair. And all I'm doing is just sweeping different portions of my hairline, right, my edges to the side, and just using my hand to just lay it flat. Very basic, very straight to the point, nothing out of the ordinary. Once I'm done with that, again, I'm going to apply that my wrap strip over my edges again, just to make sure that the edges that I already laid stays in place. And I'm just going to leave this on for about 30 minutes before I take it out and then continue with this hairstyle. You guys will see how I wrap up this look as we go along. All right, guys, so this is me with my final outfit. I already wore my cute orange dress, and I'm going to be using this darling Afro pony hair, right, to just give myself a fuller bun at the back. My bun, my natural hair as a bun is quite full, but because I want more volume, I'm going to be applying this to the back of my hair. And this particular ponytail comes with two combs just to secure the hair onto your bun at the back, whatever bun you have going on at the back. Those combs will help you secure the extra, the false pony, right? It's going to help you secure it to your hair. And I'm just going to draw the drawstring and then just attach it. I'm sure you guys know how this whole process goes. And yeah, this is the final look. This is what my hair looks like. I feel hella cute. And this particular hairstyle is something you can wear for a party or an outing to work if you're just looking for something, how to style your natural hair to work or school or for that Zoom meeting, depending on how you want to look, right? So feel free to style your hair this way for any of those types of occasions or appointments, right? Anyway, I'm talking too much. This particular hairstyle is totally wearable. That's the point I'm trying to make, and it looks absolutely stunning, as you guys can see. I'm going to turn around now and then just show you the back. This is what the back looks like. And yeah, voila, we're done. I went ahead to wrap the pony part of the hair with a black headband that I have at home. And yeah, this is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all. I have other videos on my channel. Feel free to catch up on those. And yeah, I'll see you in another video. Bye.